Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to share your Bitmoji as a story on Snapchat. Let's go through each step in detail. Step 1. Start by opening the Snapchat app on your Android device. This is the first and essential step to access all the features within the app. Step 2. Once you're in the app, locate your avatar or profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. Tapping on this will lead you to your profile settings. Step 3. Within your profile settings, you'll see the option to tap on your profile background. This step is crucial as it allows you to customize and personalize your profile settings. Step 4. Look for the Share My Bitmoji option within the settings. Tapping on this will enable you to share your Bitmoji avatar as part of your story. Step 5. To complete the process, navigate to the bottom of the screen and tap on Stories. This action will seamlessly integrate your Bitmoji into your story, ready to be shared with your friends and followers. By following these steps with detailed explanations, you can easily enhance your Snapchat stories by incorporating your Bitmoji avatar for a more personalized touch.